from 1963 and airing for the first time here on Tune In With Me. This is Calling Dr. Woodpecker.
Guess who?
Dr. Strudeldunker.
Hello there. You was calling me, yeah?
Yes, you're wanted in surgery, Doctor.
So quick, I go get dressed for surgery. Auf Wiedersehen.
Hello there, gorgeous. Flower delivery.
Make all the deliveries in the rear. Fresh. Hey, watch it, bub.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Pardon me.
Will you get out of here?
I've got to make this delivery. Oh, delivery room. This must be the place.
Get out of here!
You!
My gosh, it's Dr. Strudeldunker. He's out cold.
Now, where did he go?
I gotta get out of here. Sorry, Doc. I gotta borrow these.
Wait till I get my hands on that little... Oh, excuse me. It was my fault, Dr. Strudeldunker.
Dr. Strudeldunker? Yeah, Dr. Strudeldunker. Hello there.
They're waiting for you in surgery, Doctor. Come, we must hurry to the operating room.
Ready, nurse?
Ready, Doctor.
Knife. Drill. Saw. Clamp. Salami. Mustard. Catsup.
Oh, my goodness. Oh! Calling Dr. Strudeldunker. You are wanted in room 26.
Excuse me, please. I go now.
Something's phony. Dr. Strudeldunker doesn't have a tail.
Hello there.
I wonder.
Oh, my foot! My foot is killing me, Doc.
Now, calm down. We take it now, the blood pressure.
It's better. My foot, it's better.
Dr. Strudeldunker, you are wanted in room 42, please.
Well, Sawbones, how about some service around here?
Yeah, sure. But you need is lots of fresh air and no starches. Lay off starches.
Hey, what's going on here? Let me down. I say let me down!
Remember, no starches.
Oh, boy, what a Canuck on the noggin.
Hey, what are you doing here like this?
I am the great Dr. Student.
You're a sick doctor, Doctor. I better get you to bed. You're sick. I'll have to take your temperature. Oh, what a fever.
Hey, bossy Please, Lawson, what are you doing to me?
Oh, excuse me, Doctor. I was looking for that woodpecker.
Oh, the woodpecker you want. He is in there.
Let me at him. So, there you are.
Stop! What's the matter with you?
Huh? Oh, Dr. Strudeldunker.
I am the great...
Oh, Dr. Strudeldunker. You did it again.
You got maybe a skull fraction or a busted proboscis? Home, I'll give you first aid. Dum-de-dum-dum-dee-dum-dum-dum-dum-da-dee-da-dum. I'll finish, Schnitzel, nurse.
Woodpecker. Oh, Dr. Strudeldunker. Oh, take me away. I quit. I give up. Oh!